Hello and welcome to the second video in our introduction to Sudoku solving for beginners. In the first video we explained the rules of Sudoku, so please do watch that video first if you haven't done so already. But as a brief recap, we explained that you must place the numbers from 1 to 4 once in each row, once in each column, and once in each 2x2 box of the grid. Now there are two really useful rules that you'll use time and time again when solving Sudoku puzzles, and we're going to solve this puzzle twice. In this first video we're going to look at one method, and in the second video we will look at the second common Sudoku solving method. So in this first video we're going to look at each of the numbers, and we're going to ask ourselves the question, where can that number go in each row, column or box? And what we're looking for is to be able to narrow down the opportunities to just one cell in a region, so only one cell in a row, column or box that can contain the number. And if we find that, then we know we must place the number there, because the rule says that each number must appear exactly once in each row, column and box. So we can see we have two threes, so let's colour them red. And now let's work out where the other threes can go. So we know that we have to have a 3 in this box. Well, it can't go in either of these two squares because we have a red 3 there, and indeed this 3 also rules out this square. So that shows that the only place the 3 can go is there, and we'll mark that red as well. Now, where can the 3 go? In this column. It can't go in this square because we have a red 3 there, or this square because we have a red 3 there, or this square because of the 3 there. So we've ruled out these 3 squares for the 3, which just gives us one final option, and we can place the 3 there. Okay, now let's look at one of the other numbers that we've got. So we have the number 4. Let's mark that green. Now we ask, where can the 4 go in this box? Well, it can't go here or here because it sees the green square, which only leaves one option in the top right. Now we can repeat that process with this bottom square down here. Where can the 4 go? It can't go here because we have the green 4 there that it sees. Therefore, it must go here. That leaves one square left that can contain the 4 in this box. You see it can't go here because of the 4 there, and it can't go here because of this 4 over here. Therefore, it must be placed here. Now let's look at the other digit that we have. That's a 2. Let's mark that in orange. So we say, where can the 2 go in this box? Well, it can't go here because of the 2 there, so that's only one option left. Now let's look at this box. That can't be a 2 because it sees this 2 in the same row, and therefore the only option left is to place it down here. Now we have this box. Where can the 2 go? There's 2 options left. It can't be in this one that I've marked yellow because of this 2 down here. Therefore it has to go here. And now we have a nice simple question left, which is, where can the 1 go? Well, there are 4 squares left, 1 in each region, and therefore these are clearly the only options left for the 1s. Okay, that looks good, but let's just check we've solved it. We have. And so that is how to solve a 4x4 Sudoku using one of the two very common and very useful solving rules, which is to ask yourself where each individual number can go in a row, column or box, and when you narrow it down to one option, then you know you can place it there. Hope you found this video useful. In the next video we'll look at another method of solving this same Sudoku puzzle. Thanks for watching.